play videos in Android is a little bit different. Now, we will use the same concepts that we have learned using Media Player object or Media Player class, but the idea how things actually work, how videos are laid on top of the screen so we can actually play the video is a little bit different. Well, so first of all, we'll have, of course, our device, and inside we'll just have our video to play. That's how it looks, but the underlying structure of playing a video is a little bit different. Instead of just having the video on top of our screen, main activity, and start playing, we actually have a layer beneath the video. This layer goes like this. Instead of the video, we have this layer, which we call a surface view. So we use a surface view class to then put the actual video player so we can play the video. So every time we want to play a video, we'll have to have this structure called SurfaceView. In this case, it's a class that we're going to be implemented in our activity, which is going to be playing our video. All right, next, let's go ahead and see how do we use SurfaceView and Media Player to play videos.